My name is Inga Domenick. I'm a third-year undergraduate in the Costume Design and Technology program. I was the costume designer for the Wild Party. The first thing you do when you get a script is obviously read it, and then I start to make a costume plot, which basically just tracks every character in each scene. Then I will start my character boards, where each character in the show I make an individual slide for. This costume was for the character Kate. She's very out there and causes a lot of problems, and so we decided to put her in a very vibrant color, red, because it really draws the attention. There were a few mentions of colors throughout the script, with Burr's pink pajamas and also Queenie being in white. However, Kate was not said to be in red, but I definitely went in that direction because it is such a contrast to the white that Queenie is wearing. When I begin my research, I look at a lot of images and fashion illustrations from the time period. And so for Kate, I found one that really fit her attitude and personality, and I used that as a reference for my design. What I do first, I find a reference pose and I draw a sketch based off of that. Generally, you start with doing watercolor. I prefer to do mine digitally because changing little hand gestures and stuff like that is easier. And then I start with underpainting, which is just putting a layer of sepia or Payne's gray underneath and emphasizing the shadows. So when you paint on top of that, you already have dark areas and light areas within your painting. The 20s has a very different silhouette than we are used to today. So what we do is we'll end up taking it in at the waist a little bit, just to give them a little bit more curve and make them feel beautiful. What we build versus what we pull is based entirely off of what we have in our stock. In the Wild Party, we did not have a red dress that would fit Liana's character, so that was something that I wanted to be a build. This was my first design here at the school. It was kind of mind-blowing. I didn't really know what to think at first, and then my advisor, Bill, he was like, it's incredible to see your design come to life. I felt like crying, actually, because the actors really brought so much energy to the stage, and I feel like they really brought the costumes to life, which I'm so appreciative of.